Let to know 10 water plants for indoor.
1. Spider plant. Easy to grow and great for air purification, loves bright indirect light. 2. Lucky bamboo. Symbol of luck and positivity, grows well in water and low light. 3. Aglonema. Beautiful foliage with low maintenance, thrives in shade and humidity. 4. Philodendron. Elegant trailing plant, perfect for indoor hanging baskets. 5. Pothos. Money plant, fast-growing and hardy, cleans air and easy to propagate. 6. Coleus. Colourful leaves that brighten any room, prefers indirect sunlight. 7. Peace lily, symbol of peace and purity, blooms indoors with minimal care. 8. English ivy, classic climber for walls and pots, loves cool, shady spaces. 9. Begonia, bright flowers and unique leaves, grows well indoors and outdoors. 10. Snake plant, low light champion, filters toxins and releases oxygen at night,